In this session we are going to build the package. This package would be deployed on the AWS EC2 instance. So let's start. I will go to the package explorer, will do right click on the project, then select show local terminal. The terminal will be open. To build the package, I require to execute a command, that is mvnw install. This package will create a jar file. That jar file will be available in the target folder of the package. Here you can see right now there is nothing in the target folder. So let's execute this command, hitting enter. It is building the package. And also testing the application. Here you can see that we have successfully created the package. Now I will do right click on the project, select refresh, and here in the target folder you can see I have certain files. So this is a jar file that we require to deploy on the AWS EC2 instance. Now let's go to the AWS console. For that I will open Google Chrome. In the URL I will type aws.amazon.com/console and hitting enter. Then I will select my account, and from that I will select AWS Management Console. In the search bar I am typing EC2 and I will select EC2 virtual server in the cloud. I will select instances, clicking on launch instance. Selecting a free tier eligible Amazon Linux 2 AMI, clicking on select. I'm accepting the default type available, that is T2 micro, clicking on next. Also taking the default configuration available, clicking on next. I don't require additional storage, so again clicking on next. Here I am providing the tag, that is name, and the value is, let's say, my web app. Next I will be selecting a configure security group, and here I supposed to add a rule for port number 8080 because our application is going to be deployed on the port number 8080. So let's click on the add rule, choose the custom TCP, and in the port range provide value, that is 8080. Okay, then select the source, that is 0.0.0.0, means the request may come from any source. Now click on the review and launch. Again click on the launch. Here it will ask for the key pair. So let's create a new key pair and provide the key pair name, that is my web key. And we require to download this key pair because later on we are going to log in to the EC2 instance to deploy our web application. So let's click on the download key pair. My key pair is downloaded, click on the launch instance, and from here I can see my instance. So instance is available over here. Right now it is in a pending state. It will take some time to be in a running state. Okay, now my instance is in a running state, so I can connect to my instance. Okay, so let's click on connect. Here you can see I am having 4 options, but I am selecting the first one, that is EC2 instance connect. And my EC2 instance is available to me. Now here we are going to run the Java application, so we must require to have JDK installed on this machine. So let's check whether the JDK is there or not. So I'm typing a command Java version, and here you can see that command not found. That means JDK is not installed. So now let's try to install the JDK. I'm just pasting the command to install JDK on the Linux. This is the command using that you can install JDK 16 on the Linux. Hit enter. It has downloaded the JDK. Let's see. Yes, it is that. Okay, now let's see how to install it. So to install the JDK, type a command sudo yum install JDK-16 .rpm -y and hit enter. Great, the JDK is installed on the system now. Now let's try to run the command Java version, and here you can see the Java is successfully installed on the EC2 instance.